Hello everyone, my name is Marquise, and we're now playing Cooking Clash with Bad Reviews. Now let's start in the sandbox. Here we go. Play. Pull by this gun.
My friend told me it's a hidden gem.
Do not throw rocks at
I'm gonna leave a bad review. Could I get a taste?
Do not throw a rock! Blood! Do not throw a rock!
This place is an urban tale. They have the craziest chef ever.
Do not throw a rock! Do not throw a rock!
It's a chow time.
Do not throw it! Do not throw it! Ow! What is wrong with you? Get out, you stupid chickens!
How dare you!
Shut the fuck up!
I'm gonna leave
Ouch! Don't hit me! Don't hit me! Ow! You stupid pig! You stupid pig! Fuck you!
I heard someone was shot at this restaurant. Is that true? You hit me? How dare you?
Ow! Ow! Don't hit me! Ow!
Could I have fries with some salt on top?
Could I get a salad?
you.
I'm vegan.
My stomach is a rose. A really cozy place.
Ow! Don't hit me!
Hi, I'll have a burger. For here, thank you.
Get out of here, John Pork!
Looks like a good food shop. I can't wait for my lunch. I'd like some fries, please.
Ow!
My stomach is...
Ow! Do not hit me
I'm on a
throwing
diet. A
rocks
salad will
at
be good.
I heard someone was shot at this restaurant. Is that true?
I'd like to order a burger. Be quick.
Don't hit me!
It's a chow time.
Blocked! Don't hit me.
This place is an urban tale. They have the craziest chef ever. I heard someone was shot
I'm
at
done with
restaurant.
this
Is that
job.
true?
I'm done with this work. I'm done with this job. I'm tired of working.
Looks like a good food shop. I can't wait for my lunch.
Like and subscribe.
I'd like some fries, please.
Shut the fuck up.
My parents went to this restaurant before.
Die,
and
you
they didn't do
ungrateful
that.
bitch. What? Sorry I made you angry.
Could I get a steak? I want it cooked medium.
This place is an urban tale. They have the craziest chef ever.
What's the matter with you?
I'm
Sorry.
gonna leave a bad review.
Bad review. Sorry I made you angry.
French fries, please. Sauce on the side. My friend told me it's a hidden gem.
Please like and
My friend told me
subscribe.
It's a hidden gem. I'm gonna leave a bad review.
Bad review.
Hit me? How dare you?
Bad review. Leave a bad review. Die, you ungrateful piece of shit. Bye bye. Don't hit
You
me.
hit me? How dare you?
Like and
My parents went
subscribe.
to this restaurant before.
Bad
They
review.
never came back.
Leave a bad review.
I'm gonna leave a bad review.
Bad review. Leave a bad review.
I heard someone was shot at this restaurant. Is that true? This place is an urban tale. They have the craziest chef ever. What's the matter with you? You hit me? How dare you?
This restaurant got fucked up. I'm gonna try it. I'll have a prime filet medium well, please.
Fuck you all.
I heard someone was shot at this restaurant. Is that true?
My friend.
What are you mad about, sir? Don't
My
hit
friend
me.
told me it's a hidden
Ow! Do it again.
like a good food shop. I can't.
Die!
My friend told me it's a.
Ow! You! Get out of my store!
told me
the
it's a
matter
hidden
with
gem.
you?
My parents went to this restaurant.
Ah, you ungrateful piece of shit!